Welcome to GMath tutorial. Now the simplification trick is for that type of problem, that is 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 by 3. We need to find the answer. For that, first write 2 here, then write 3 here, then count this 1, 2, 3 times, then write 3 lines like that. Then add previous two numbers, that is 2 plus 3 becomes 5 right here, then 3 plus 5 becomes 8 right here, then 5 plus 8 becomes 13 right here. Then in answer write 8 divided by this number 13. So this is the required solution. For more videos, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.